ZSAR stock analysis tomorrow, Friday onward. Is ZoomCar stock a buy or a sell? ZoomCar holding stock. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. 31 cent is where we're sitting at, 50% off for the day. Some good numbers right there. And just from a first glance, right? All I see is just a couple of weekly candles just going down. So we don't, first of all, don't have that much data, but it's data that I could work with, quite comfortably. I'm only really going to continue to look for something like, crazy bullish if the price starts breaking above 45 cents, because this is what's holding the price down right now. If it starts breaking above 45, then, we're all good and stuff. But until then, I'm not certainly buying. So what I'm going to do is just put this here. If it comes into here and gives me the rules, only then I would, sell. So it's obviously not financial advice. I'm just going to mark out the lows here. Boom. Only if the rules are met, only then I sell, right? So I'm going to put a wait sign here and just observe the lower time frame. For more context, check out the photos link in the description if you want a free course as well. So I'll see you in the next